Mix this simple ingredient with milk at night for strong performance by morning. It sounds almost too simple, does it not? But the truth is, your kitchen might already hold some of the most powerful natural tools to support better blood flow, healthier hormones, and stronger manhood. No pills, no complicated routines, just warm milk and the right ingredients added before bed. I am Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and today I am going to share with you several natural ingredients that, when mixed with milk at night, can support testosterone circulation and the kind of performance that helps you feel confident again. Stay with me because each one works in a unique way, and by the end, you will know exactly how to use them safely and effectively. Before we talk about the ingredients, let us talk about why milk is such a perfect base. Warm milk at night has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and deeper sleep. It contains tryptophan, a natural amino acid that calms the nervous system and helps the body release melatonin for better rest. And as you may know, deep sleep is when testosterone production peaks. That means starting with milk already sets the stage for hormone recovery. When you add the right natural ingredients to milk, you amplify its benefits. Suddenly, your evening drink is not just comforting, it becomes a natural tonic for your manhood. The first ingredient I recommend is ashwagandha. This ancient root has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Often referred to as a rejuvenator or strength giver, it has traditionally been used to restore vitality, reduce fatigue, and support male stamina both physically and sexually. What makes ashwagandha so powerful is its effect on stress. Modern life is full of pressures. Work, family, finances, and all of that stress raises cortisol, the hormone that keeps your body in a constant state of alert. High cortisol does more than just make you feel tense. It directly suppresses testosterone, lowers your energy, and interferes with healthy sleep. That is why so many men over 50 feel not only tired, but also less responsive sexually. Ashwagandha works by gently lowering cortisol levels. When cortisol comes down, testosterone is free to rise naturally the way it is meant to. This is not a stimulant that forces your body into action. Instead, it restores balance, giving your hormones the environment they need to function properly. When you mix half a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder into warm milk before bed, something simple but powerful happens. The milk soothes your system, while the ashwagandha calms your nervous system and prepares your body for deep rest. Sleep becomes deeper and more restorative, which is critical because testosterone is produced at its highest levels during deep sleep. Over time, this combination creates the perfect conditions for stronger hormone balance. Many men who use it consistently report noticeable changes within a few weeks. Mornings that feel firmer, energy that feels steadier, and a sense of vitality that they thought was gone for good. Some even describe feeling calmer and more focused during the day, which shows that the benefits extend beyond the bedroom. The key is consistency. Ashwagandha is not a one-time trick. It is a steady support that works best when used regularly, allowing your body to gradually restore balance and strength. The second ingredient I recommend is saffron. Most people know saffron as an exotic spice used in cooking. But what many do not realize is that it has been valued for centuries as a natural aphrodisiac and vitality booster. Ancient cultures treasured it not only for its rich golden color and unique flavor, but also for its ability to uplift mood, reduce tension, and support sexual energy. Saffron works in several ways. First, it has a natural calming effect on the nervous system, which helps reduce anxiety. Stress and anxiety are two of the most common yet overlooked reasons men struggle with performance. When your mind is tense, your body has a hard time responding. By soothing this tension, saffron creates a more relaxed state where arousal can happen more naturally. Second, saffron supports circulation by improving the flexibility of blood vessels and increasing blood flow throughout the body. Strong, healthy circulation is at the core of erection strength, and saffron provides a natural nudge in the right direction. When you add just a small pinch of saffron threads into warm milk, the drink takes on a beautiful golden color and a comforting, slightly floral aroma. It becomes more than a bedtime drink. It becomes a ritual of relaxation and restoration over time. Many men find that saffron helps bring back sensitivity, energy, and passion they thought was lost with age. It is not about forcing change overnight. It is about gently supporting the body to respond as it once did. Now let us move to the third combination, turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric has gained worldwide attention in recent years for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. But long before modern science confirmed its benefits, it was used in traditional medicine to reduce pain, improve digestion, and promote longevity. For men over 50, turmeric matters because inflammation is one of the hidden enemies of sexual health. Chronic low-level inflammation quietly damages blood vessels, restricts circulation, and contributes to prostate swelling. These are exactly the issues that interfere with firmness and vitality. Adding half a teaspoon of turmeric to warm milk creates what some call milk, a soothing and restorative nighttime drink. But here is the key. Turmeric's most active compound, curcumin, is not easily absorbed on its own. That is where black pepper comes in. Even just a tiny pinch of black pepper dramatically improves the absorption of curcumin, making the turmeric far more effective. Together, turmeric and black pepper do more than reduce inflammation. They actively support healthier blood vessels, making circulation stronger and more efficient. Better circulation in the pelvic region means more dependable erections, while reduced inflammation helps protect the prostate for the long term. This simple mixture does double duty. It supports immediate performance by improving blood flow, and it protects your long-term sexual health by calming the very processes that cause decline with age. When taken consistently, it is one of the most powerful natural allies a man can add to his nightly routine. Another wonderful option is Maca root powder. This hardy root is grown high in the Andes Mountains, where people have relied on it for centuries to increase stamina, fertility, and overall vitality. Often called nature's vitality booster, macaca has earned its reputation as a powerful support for both physical energy and sexual well-being. What makes maca unique is that it does not artificially raise testosterone levels the way some supplements claim to. Instead, it helps the body use the hormones you already have more efficiently. Think of it like tuning an engine. Rather than pouring in more fuel, MKA helps the engine burn what is already there in a cleaner, more powerful way. Men who take maca consistently often report noticeable benefits. They describe feeling more energetic during the day, less fatigued in the evenings, and more interested in intimacy again. Many also notice improved stamina, both in daily activities and in the bedroom. It is this combination of energy and desire that makes maca such a valuable addition for men over 50. The best part is that maca blends beautifully into warm milk. 1 teaspoon stirred in creates a nutty, slightly sweet drink that is both comforting and restorative. Taken before bed, it helps reduce fatigue, supports restful sleep, and primes your body to feel stronger in the morning, not just sexually, but in every part of life. Now, you might be wondering, should you take all of these ingredients at once? The answer is no. These herbs and spices are powerful, and your body needs time to adjust to each one. Start with a single ingredient like ashwagandha, saffron, turmeric, or maca, and use it consistently for a few weeks. Pay attention to how your body responds. Notice changes in your energy, sleep, mood, or performance. Once you have given your body time to adjust, you can alternate between 2 or 3 ingredients over time. This keeps your routine varied, while still giving each ingredient the chance to do its job. Think of it as building a toolkit for your health. You do not need every tool at once, but rotating them ensures you always have support where it is needed most. And here's the most important point. Always remember that more is not better. These natural remedies are effective in small amounts. Stick to safe portions half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of powders like Ashwagandha or Maca, or just a pinch of saffron threads. Overloading your body does not bring faster results. It can actually upset your system and reduce the benefits. Consistency is the true key. A small, steady amount taken regularly is far more powerful than a large dose taken once in a while. When you commit to these practices, your body has the time and support it needs to rebuild energy, restore balance, and gradually bring back the performance and vitality you thought you had lost. The best time to drink this mixture is about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. That timing allows your body to absorb the nutrients, relax, and prepare for deep sleep. And as I mentioned earlier, deep sleep is when your body produces the most testosterone. By supporting rest and circulation at the same time, you are stacking the deck in your favor for firmer mornings and more reliable performance. So, let us bring this together. Men over 50, mixing natural ingredients like ashwagandha, saffron, turmeric with black pepper, or maca root into warm milk at night is one of the simplest, most powerful ways to support strong performance. Each of these ingredients works differently. Some lower stress, some improve blood flow, others enhance stamina, but they all contribute to the same goal: restoring your body's natural vitality. The beauty of this routine is that it is simple, safe, and affordable. A warm cup of milk with the right addition before bed is not just a nightly ritual. It is an investment in your health, your confidence, and your manhood. So, here is my challenge for you. Pick one of these ingredients and add it to your milk tonight. Stick with it for 3 weeks. Stay consistent and watch how your body responds. You may be surprised at how much difference such a small natural change can make. I am Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more practical advice on men's health, circulation, and vitality after 50. Remember, your body is still capable. It just needs the right